Now I have one message from our mentor. It's Dr. Ram Vaidyaji. A short words about him. He is originally from Nagpur, Bharat. Graduated with merit in Sanskrit, philosophy and psychology and post-graduation in Sanskrit. Stood first class in Nagpur University, awarded with 3 gold medals, PhD in Sanskrit Darshan, specializing in integral humanism in Vedanta Jain philosophy. He is a Swayam Sevak since childhood, became Pracharak in 1998. He moved to UK in 1999 for Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh. He was a Pracharak for Europe zone before becoming Sah Samyok, which means World Joint Coordinator of Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh. In March 2011, he has toured a lot of countries, Europe, America, Africa and Caribbean countries. He is closely connected with youth organizations like National Hindu Students Forum UK, Hindu Students Forum from Netherlands. He is also active in promotion of Sanskrit through Sanskrit speaking workshops. Now let's take 2 minutes to listen to what Ramji is giving the message about.
Namaskar, Abhinandan, congratulations for the Bal Bharat Divas 2019. It is so amazing to know that all families in Frankfurt and nearby cities come together to celebrate oneness of our Bharat, Kashmir to Tamil Nadu and Manipur to Gujarat. Bharat is one entity with various shades. Bharat is not just a combination of different people living together. She is rather one and only one manifested in diversity. I feel Bal Bharat Divas is the display of that oneness in its fullest manifestation. Bharat's mission is to bring entire humanity together. We see the spirit of oneness in all. Today world needs this spirit. Bal Bharat Divas is a resolution to bring the humanity together. I congratulate to Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh's Bal Gokulam Frankfurt for the organization of Bal Bharat Divas. Namaskar.
Ramji has been a mentor to us. We as Swayam Sevaks, Bal Gokulam is not having any full-time or part-time employees. It is run by volunteers. All the people working in their home and offices or businesses take time to donate seva. The time, money is happening this event. So there is no employee here from Bal Bharat Divas, the volunteers that you see. So Sangatan, this is happening because of such seva. Thank you. So हम बोलते हैं संगठन में शक्ति है. मैं संगठन बोलता हूँ, आप शक्ति है बोलिए. ओके? संगठन में, संगठन में, संगठन में. Very good. Guest Pratibha Parkar ji, Consulate General, to come on to the stage. Few words also.
First of all, a big round of applause for all 350 children who performed from morning. And big round of applause for all the parents who have been cheering since morning. And congratulations to all Bal Gokulam Swayam Sevaks. So congratulations to all the participants and organizers. This name, Bal Gokulam, it itself has a meaning. It brings to your mind playfulness and togetherness of Lord Krishna and his playmates. They used to play in the woods of Gokulam, which was home of Nanda and Yashoda. And also, of course, Bal Bharat Divas. It also has a lot of meaning. Young India. This is our future India, and this effort of teaching them or cultivating their mind and intellect is very noble. There is a Sanskrit Subhashit which says that Kavya Shastra Vinodena Gachatam. That means if you are spending the pursuit of art and science and philosophy, only intelligent mind can do that. But unintelligent mind, they whiles away their time in sleep and argument. So by bringing all the kids together and teaching them this art and science, you are not only introducing them to the rich heritage of India, but also you are teaching them to lead a life, a peaceful and cultured life. You are also teaching them this unity, principle of unity. You are also teaching them that art of teamwork. Teamwork is very important because it not only teaches you to share your success, but it also teaches you to share the responsibility of your failure. And the another important ethos of Indian culture is unity in diversity, which is very important. The children will learn it from childhood because wherever you live, whether in India or outside India, if you are united, you are strong. And the world respects you as Indian. So that's why we also have started since last year India Fest. This is the second year. Coming Saturday, we are doing it in Cologne, and on 31st August, we are doing it in Frankfurt. So please support us, please join us, bring your German friends, and show them Indian culture and unity in diversity. Thank you.
We would like to take your precious time for some more time. I request all the Gurujis coming on the stage. Gurujis, we mean all those parents and teachers who spend their time in teaching those kids. Took their time. I request them on the stage. Please come through. In the meantime, I would like to take opportunity to repeat our sponsors who wholeheartedly gave the donations. King's College, British School of Frankfurt, Erasmus Frankfurter Stadtschule, Jaffna Bazaar, Spice Lands, Indian Pepper Restaurant, Curry Garden, Ruchi Restaurant, Pearl of India, Punnami, Travel Center, Air India, Vegan Hair Color, Manava Bharati, Sri Ramesh Jain and family, Sri Vinay Kothari and family, Sri Lalwani and family. These are the donors wholeheartedly. And there are so many donors did not probably donate money itself, but a lot of time and effort. We would like to take the opportunity to our sponsors. Additionally, for those who made such a great success, Karyakartas in the Bhim team, we all had good food. All those people serving, bringing, planning, cooking, purchasing. A big round of applause for them. Thanks a lot. That means a lot. Volunteers who donated the snack items, all those snacks we purchased it, which is went for a seva. All these items are also coming from the parents. So big dhanyavad for the seva. Thank you. Karyakartas in the program. There are several Karyakartas at the reception. BG stalls, art stalls, crowd management, everyone who ensured that they are not disturbing and so on. Cameraman, important part. AV area, audio, video. Believe me or not, 310 kids on 3 hours of on-stage performance, 35 programs, 6 locations. Imagine the number of organization and planning we kept it, and not to just make a show, but a tour of India of it. You see, before I stood up, before I turned back, there was a big wall of Gurujis. That was our big wall of Gurujis. Thank you so much. So last but not least, I would like to take the opportunity for parents who gave their trust in Balagokulam to bring their kids to Balagokulam and come to the every Sunday and for practice sessions. Hope the relationship continues. You become a regular member in Balagokulam, not just for the dance and skit, also in regular shaka, which we want to inculcate in our culture. Exactly. Audio video team. The people, gentlemen there, we are always looking at the stage. Let's take a look at back. Those gentlemen there, a cheers to them. And a gentleman here, hiding. We don't know how many nights we spent. Can you please come out? Just say a hi. They need to know. The Karyakartas, please spend time there. It's one word. Music files collection, organizing, planning, execution, file checking, trimming, leveling. Unbelievable. Now, all Karyakartas and child artists and child Karyakartas. Cannot believe backstage there were kids who were 12, 13, 15 years of age helping us bringing the kids. So again, Seva starts at age, doesn't matter. Yeah? So, having that said, I leave the opportunity to Prasadji to take over. Thank you, sir.
How was the program? Once again? Okay, it's time, my show now. A small surprise to all Gurujis. Do you know the surprise? Okay, maybe guess.
It's a surprise.
Okay, flight ticket to every Guruji. We are giving one Air India ticket. Give a big round of applause to me because I am the sponsor. Thaliya bajao. Thank you very much. AV please. Guruji, it's for you.
ఫుడ్ ఉంది ఇంకా అనౌన్స్మెంట్ చేయాలి ఫుడ్ ఉంది
And we would like to call upon Shaka Pramukh, Frankfurt Shaka Pramukh, Venkat ji, Heidelberg Shaka Pramukh, Vinod ji, Dusseldorf Shaka Pramukh, Rajeshri ji, and Ziegen Jugendheim Kirti ji. Please come on stage. Please come on stage. And also Utsav Pramukh and Nagar Pramukh. Please come on stage. Then after watching the video, I decided not to give air ticket. I decided to give the diamond cup. It means equal to diamond Balagokulam cup. Then I would like to call first of all North. All the North Gurujis, please come forward. And Pratibha ji, I will give you one cup for each choreographer. Please give it to the choreographer. North Gurujis. Okay, give a big round of applause to North. Thank you. North is my team. That's why, yeah. Give it to me also. Big round applause to Prasad ji. That's me. Woo! Thank you. I love you all. Okay, now Northeast. Please come forward. Northeast. Gayatri ji again. There one cup is enough. Okay, please come forward. All the Northeast. Giri ji, please give it to Pratibha ji. Give to Giri ji. Okay. Northeast Hari ji, right? Hari ji, give a big round of applause to Northeast and Hari ji. He was the coordinator. Big round of applause. Yeah. And now East. East, please come forward. Please come forward, East. East. East coordinator is Karthik ji. Give a big round of applause. Go. And also today's host. And now South. South. Here you come last, sir. South.
South is Adi.
Next South is there. Okay, South coordinator is Aditya. He is not here. He is in India. Give a big round of applause. Okay, now Madhya. Madhya, please come forward. Big round of applause. Aanchal ji is the coordinator, also choreographer. Oh, sorry, sir. Piyush ji is the coordinator, but Aanchal ji is the wife of Piyush ji. That's why, sorry, sir. Yeah. Okay, and now West. West. Please come forward, West. Okay, Suhasini ji is the coordinator. Give a big round of applause. Gandhi ji skit. Big round of applause. And now, Balagokulam. BG skit. All the BG skits, please come forward, yeah? Kirti ji and Venkat ji. Venkat ji, go ahead. And Yoga Prajnav ji, Shloka, Shankar ji, Kirti ji, go. Huh? Sudha ji. And who else? Sorry if I forgot anybody, please. You already got? Okay. Okay. Instead of Bharati ji, Bharati Abhi Reddy, please take, yeah. Okay. Pratibha ji. And now all the parent coordinators, first North, please come here. First North parent coordinators. If you want to give anything surprise from the kids, from the parents, please come forward fast. North, first North. All the parent coordinators, please come forward. And now Shaka Pramukhs also, please come and join. Shaka Pramukhs. Sir, unde ya? Shaka Pramukhs. Vinod ji, please be here. Wait. And Venkat ji is here. Venkat ji already got the cup. And Kirti ji, and one more missing. Rajshri ji. Yeah. Okay, Vinod ji. Please give to Vinod ji first. and then Kirti ji, and then Ashi ji. Thank you so much. North. They are expanding Bal Gokulam in Germany. Give a big round of applause to the Shaka Pramukhs. And now, please go back little bit. Pratibha ji, if you have patience, please be here. Otherwise, as you wish. Now, all the North choreographers, sorry, not choreographers, Gurujis, please come forward. I'm very sorry. North, parents of North, first, Uttarakhand, Gayatri ji, please. If you doesn't want good shine, I will take first. Punjabi. And then Jammu and Kashmir. And last but not least, Himachal Pradesh. Fast. Himachal Pradesh. No, okay, Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, it's already there. And now come. West, come forward. West. Hey, all the Gurujis from West. Fast. Your Guruji name? Tell. Barka ji, yeah. Barka ji, you are getting good shine. Yeah, please give it to me. And now. Okay, West. And now Northeast. Gurujis, please come forward. Northeast Gurujis. No one from Northeast? Northeast Gurujis. Okay, just now I heard that Northeast Gurujis already received. Am I right? Okay, then Madhya, please come forward. Madhya, parent coordinators. Up Northeast, eh? Up Northeast. Okay, then not. Madhya. Okay, thank you very much. Northeast, please come forward. Northeast. Oh, Gayatri, come fast. And now South. Please come forward, South. I know you are so tired. Still, South. Parent coordinators from South. Yeah, please. North is finished. I already called. Okay. South. Yeah, but only one. Okay, go. And anyone else here? Okay. Did I miss anyone? Any region? East, please come forward. East coordinators, parent coordinators. East. Then leave it, yeah. Revati ji. Okay, East. Sorry. Okay, sir, go. East. And now, okay, go. Suhasini, she forgot, yeah. West. Okay, now also very important, Bala Gokulam. BG skits, what it is? Skit, shloka, yoga. Please come forward. Sir, please come forward. BG. Gurujis, please come forward, and parent coordinators of BG, yoga, shloka, rhythmic gymnastics. Yeah, go. Bala Gokulam programs. Okay.
Bye.